Ben from Crompton Partners, and this is your property update. Today we're going to be talking about predictions for the market in terms of rental and sales in Abu Dhabi in 2016. 2015 in the Emirate saw reasonably high rental increases, 5 to 7% in some areas, but the sales market remained relatively flat throughout. 2016 predictions are going to be based fundamentally on supply and demand. Supply is very easy to measure. We can understand very easily where buildings are being built, where units are coming online, and most people are predicting about a 2% increase in supply, which historically speaking is not very much for Abu Dhabi. Demand is going to be based on population statistics. Demand, the number of people looking to rent, to buy, will increase as population increases. Population statistics are based on job creation in Abu Dhabi, and job creation is very significantly linked to government expenditure. The government is, by some estimates, an employer either directly or indirectly of 70 to 80% of the population in Abu Dhabi. We haven't had the Abu Dhabi budget for 2016. We don't know what government expenditure is going to do. The UAE federal budget was trimmed by 2%. The Dubai budget was increased by 12%. So people will be looking very carefully at what the Abu Dhabi budget is going to be like. Will they continue to maintain spending, create more jobs, bring more people in, therefore put pressure on the supply of units that we have, or will they trim expenditure? Will hiring freeze up, and will then the excess supply not be taken up by the market, and therefore rents decrease? So it depends very much on Abu Dhabi government expenditure. We know that a lot of jobs have been lost in oil and construction. Other job sectors are holding up very well by most reports, so it'll be a very interesting thing to watch. If the Abu Dhabi government continues to spend at the rate it is, or perhaps increase, or even possibly a marginal decrease, we'll see people coming into Abu Dhabi still, and we will see rents rise. As rents rise, and we predict by a very modest amount this year, we would expect a positive Abu Dhabi government budget. We would expect a very modest rent increase, 3 to 5% maximum, sort of inflation level increases. If that happens, then we will also see people coming back to the sales market as well. The sales market was flat last year, whereas rents went up, which means that yields on investment property are looking very good at the moment. People are also renting, and their rents are going up, therefore buying is starting to look more attractive. If you buy your own home, your repayments are almost always lower than paying rent. You also get to pay off some equity. So end users, as rents go up and sale prices stay flat, end users get more and more interested in buying their own property and controlling their rent. Also, as market sentiment returns, if the Abu Dhabi government keeps spending, people feel more secure about their jobs, and in turn, as they feel more secure about their jobs, they worry less about a significant expenditure, which is buying property in the UAE. So, in summary, our prediction for 2016, we expect a reasonably positive Abu Dhabi government budget. That in turn will lead to very modest rent rises, inflation level, and then as that occurs, we will see sale prices increase as people start to come back to the market to take advantage of the yields, and also to mitigate the rent rises that are going on by buying their own units. You can see more at our blog at cpestateagents.com. This is Ben Crompton. Thank you very much.